I'm Fatima and Zukhra.
We are
students of New Uzbekistan University. We're majoring in software engineering.
So why did I choose software engineering? Well, first of all, software engineering is very rapidly growing major, and it's become very crucial to know how to deal with even basic digital technologies. Furthermore, I think it's amazing to know that you are the one creating the comfort and the opportunity for people around you. Like if you want to invent something, then you have the skills and the knowledge to do it. That's what I find fascinating about software engineering.
When doing the research and thinking about where to study, I first focused on the university that would give credits to students' academic performances. And I was really happy to find out that this university gives enough credits as an accomplishment here to my studies. Another compelling advantage of this university is, of course, its community and professors who really are into your life and into your academic performances and are there for you to help you and to strive together with the community.